What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So just as we were seeing the crypto market decrease and people were wondering when we were going to see the bull run happen, the bull market take place, there's so much questioning and so much speculation as to if we're even going to see any type of green anymore this year. We might see things that just fall down until 2024, 2025. There are predictions that get more aggressive where it says 2026 or 2027. And I'm like, what are you guys even doing at this point? Like, you think the bear market's going to last for that long? I understand, with everything that the SEC is doing, everything that comes on the negative side of crypto, whether it's related to the economy or it's related to just attacks or collapses of exchanges, there's a lot of negativity. But it doesn't mean that we're going to see a 3-year bear market, right? Now, honestly, anything could happen. I'm not going to say it's 100% impossible to see that happen, and not to say that what we're seeing now won't just, turn the other way and completely flip on its head, and then we'll start to see that, decrease end up taking place. But we've seen long enough of a bear market, and we're on the verge of getting to that point with all of the positive things that we've seen within crypto. We should be here. But if it wasn't for the attacks, we would be at a much higher point. So I wanted to get into the crypto market because there's definitely some huge news, out of the crypto space that's really exploding crypto right now. And you're seeing things that are up a decent amount. And we're going to get into everything that's up and exactly why things are up. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out some of the links in the description, definitely check out those links that are down below for my Twitter, for my Patreon, all of those things. And definitely hit the like button for Baymax over here. So anyways, let's get into the crypto market because things are looking amazing, right? It's been a while since we've seen any type of real positivity in the crypto market. We've been seeing things that have fallen, especially from the high level of what happened with XRP and the ruling of not being a security, and seeing that the overall market up to a $1.29 trillion market cap. Ever since then, it has fallen down and was down to like a low of a $1.04 trillion market cap. So definitely a lower point compared to the 25 plus billion that it was, above that point. So after we've seen, it fall down to 1.04, it's great to see the positivity today. You can see in front of you on the screen that we're looking at a 5.3% increase on the day up to a $1.11 trillion market cap. Now, earlier today, it was at a $1.09 trillion market cap after receiving the news that really exploded this. And we started to see maybe a little bit of a retracement, but then it started to skyrocket again with more money that was flowing into the market. Now, Bitcoin's dominance is up about 1%. It's at 49% right now. And the reason why you're seeing that is because it's around the Bitcoin ETF, which is definitely a significant piece to adoption in crypto. So anyways, up to a $1.11 trillion market cap, up 5.3%. We're seeing Bitcoin that's up 6.3%, pretty much like leading the market if we're talking about overall dollar figures. But, just looking at percentage wise, you have other things that are probably leading the percentage space. Ethereum is up about 5%. You're seeing BNB that's up about 5%. XRP is up 3.7%. Cardano is up 4%. Dogecoin is up about 5%. You're even seeing things like Shiba Inu that's up about 2%. Litecoin, almost 7%. Ton is up 9%. But what's up the most? Let's go ahead and look at things that are moving the most within the crypto market. Bitcoin Cash is up the most, up 15.7%, almost 15.8%, and 20% in the last 7 days. XDC network is up 12%. Stacks is up 11%. Thor 9%. Then you get to some of the other ones that I mentioned. Ton is up about 9% as well. So the crypto market obviously is thriving. Obviously, we're seeing a ton of green compared to where we were and all the red. Now, why is this happening? Well, The reason why it's happening is because of this, right? Grayscale wins against the SEC. So the first Bitcoin ETF could be coming soon as court rules in favor of Grayscale over the SEC. So this is obviously huge, and we'll get into the reasons why, in my opinion, why this is huge for the crypto market and why you're seeing things that are moved just based off of this ruling there. So the District Court of Columbia of Appeals paved the way for Bitcoin exchange traded funds. On Tuesday, the court sided with Grayscale in a lawsuit against the Securities and Exchange Commission, which had denied the company's application for to convert the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to an ETF. The decision could impact other companies that want to create Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRock and Fidelity. Now, the reason why this is such a big win is because this really opens the door for a ton of adoption. And I think people, when they look at this, they've asked the question, like, why is this important? Why a Bitcoin ETF can be so important to the entire crypto market. You think about companies or institutions like Fidelity, right, or like BlackRock, and understand the financial impact that they have, the amount of money that flows into and out of those areas. It's a lot, right? And it shows that you have adoption for at least some form of cryptocurrency, whether it's going to be Bitcoin or you have an Ethereum ETF. It shows adoption, and adoption is everything in crypto. Right now, we have a ton of retail investors, retail traders into the space, big money investors that are looking for bigger gains, right? You're looking for quick, big gains that come out of this space. But when it gets to a point where it's comfortable, that's where the market starts stabilizing at a lot of these higher levels. And only with adoption from institutions and businesses and firms and big money and retail traders, everybody, will you start to see that adoption? Will you start to see that stability? And this is why something like a Bitcoin ETF or any ETF is going to be great for the crypto market, because it gives you that form of stability, gives you that form of adoption that you don't have elsewhere. And then you get things like the likes of Twitter and other companies using cryptocurrency as a form of payment, giving it a use case, furthering the adoption. It's so important to the crypto market to see this succeed, because if you have the big money holders and users like Fidelity, like BlackRock, like big banks, then you start seeing businesses that are more likely to hold crypto as an asset rather than just accepting it and trading it back into the US dollar or whatever fiat currency. So it means a hell of a lot to the crypto market, and that's why the speculation is so high. That's why we're seeing that it's up. The market is up by 6%. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin is skyrocketing, and other things like Bitcoin Cash are making moves as well. So it's very, very exciting for the entire crypto market. And I'm just happy to see some green instead of red. So let me know what you're thinking about this. Is this important in your eyes? I'm also going to put something out on Twitter to let people, answer a poll over there or vote their way over there. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.